Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and finally after a long gap the video is here. I know many of you have been waiting and messaging me on Telegram and Instagram asking for the latest side loading methods because the old ones stopped working. Well, today I will explain you everything you need to know about side loading on your iOS devices and how to prevent app revocation using Scarlet, ESign or any other method. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So there are different ways to sideload apps on your iOS devices, and they are using free certificates with sideloaders and using computers, Jailbreak and Apple developer account. But for this video, let's only focus on the most common method, and that is using free certificates. There are many ways to install apps using free certificates like with ESign, Scarlet and other. I will tell you about all of these, but firstly let's see for ESign. It is one of the most popular tools for sideloading. There are multiple websites from where you can install this, like Voice of Furious and others. And then there is this one, I don't know how to pronounce it, but works great and is my favorite. And all the required links are in description. So to install ESign using this website, firstly go to this website and scroll a little bit. There you will get a install DNS profile option. Click on that and then click on allow. After that, open your settings app, then you will get profile download option at the top. Click on that and then click on install. After that, enter your passcode and then click on install again. Now the DNS is installed successfully on your device. Go to that website again and click on download ESign certificates. After that, open the files app and extract that zip file. Now here is the most important step, installing ESign. For that, scroll more. There you will get many links to install ESign. Try all the links one by one with patience until you get pop-up like this, untrusted enterprise developer. Once you get this pop-up, that means this method worked for you. Now go to your settings app and then click on the name of the link that you use to install ESign, and that will appear right here in the VPN and device management option. Click on that and then click on trust and allow restart. After successful restart, ESign will get verified and will be ready to open. Now open the ESign app, and for the first time when you open the ESign, it may crash, but after that it will work fine. If it is not opening and continuously crashing, then try to install ESign again from the different link until it opens successfully. After opening this, we will need to set up it by importing certificate. Once the certificate is imported successfully, it will ready to install any app that you want. This was all about ESign, and if you want to install Scarlet, Feather or any other, then you can use Voice of Furious website. In that you will be able to install these apps directly from WFS portal. All the steps are given in the description for this, and I will upload the full tutorial video on my Telegram channel as well, because if I show complete process in this video, the video will get longer. But keep in mind, if ESign is not installing from this website I told you, then none of the website will work for you to install ESign or any other app, because all of the website use same process, like using same free certificates but different DNS, but all the DNS are same with different branding. They are just used to block some specific networks from Apple side to prevent revoke. So I'll suggest you guys to do not waste time in searching different things. Instead of, you can try different methods like computer, Apple developer account or maybe jailbreak if you want. And if you can't use any of these method by any reason, go with the personal certificate or wait for a duration like 2-3 weeks or a month. Then you can try again this method, this free certificate one. It will work for you. But remember, don't try anything in that waiting period related to sideloading, and if you do, then nothing will work for you. And if you want urgent solution, then check out my pinned comment. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If yes, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any doubts, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more helpful content. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.